So Iron Brand just launched a spanking new product, and when I first saw it, I thought they were starting to sell coconut water. But turns out I'm both right and I'm wrong. Thank you. Oh, it's a big envelope and there's something inside. A highlighter. Okay, let's see what's up, guys. Challenge number 7, and I have so many cards. Word search. Charlotte, we hear you have a way with words. Thank you very much. So in today's challenge, you have to find as many words as you can in this word search puzzle. Words you find will be the ingredients you get to use in your recipe. Pair those ingredients with our new coconut product, okay, and build the rest of your dish. Here are the 15 words. You have 15 seconds to scan them. Okay, there we go. And here's the puzzle. You have 30 seconds. Okay, I won't cheat. Can Charlotte May find the ingredients she needs? Okay, I'm not going to waste my time later, so I'm going to decide on my recipe right now. Coconut milk, I can see it in a dessert or a curry. That's pretty straightforward, right? So hopefully I have the ingredients that I need for this. Are we ready? 15 seconds on the clock. Okay, first thing I saw was tamarind. I think I can do an assam curry kind of thing. Put this product to the test. Okay, I see chicken, prawns. I'm gonna go for one of those. Vegetables, mushrooms, okra, eggplant. Okay, tomatoes. Okay, time for the puzzle. Let's go. 30 seconds. Let's start this. Ooh, I see lemongrass already. Tamarind. I see eggplant. Got this. Okay, got 3 ingredients already. Ooh, belacan. Okay, I can use that. Prawns. Let's go for that. Okra. Okay, I think I can work with this. 6 ingredients. I'm good. I'm good. I can do this. Assam, prawn, curry it is. Okay, so here are the ingredients which I highlighted, and I've also added in some pantry staples so that I can put this curry together. So let's begin by making the spice paste. Super simple stuff. I've got basics such as red chili, garlic, red onion, and turmeric, of course. So I'm gonna add that all in there. And to that, I've also got some dried chilies which I soaked up in hot water. And that's all we need before we blend it up. Okay, we're done. Let's have a look and then sniff. Ooh, it's potent. Ooh, travels up your nose. Okay, so spice paste is done. Now, if that's a little too dry, you can always add in a splash of water or oil. Let's heat up the pan. Put in some oil, and I am just going to fry up my aromatics first. So that's my bruised lemongrass and curry leaves. So in goes my curry leaves into the heated oil. I can actually fry with my lemongrass too. Okay, smelling so good. And now in goes my spice paste. I'm gonna start with about 2 tablespoons first, because this stuff is spicy. Now you want to cook it till the spices don't smell raw anymore. So as that's cooking, I'm going to decide on the coconut product that I'm going to be using. Now there are 2 here. This is super light, so I was told that they've added coconut water into these products. So this obviously has more coconut water. In fact, the fat content in this one's about 5%, and here is 20%. So I'm going to put this to the test today to see how it fares in a curry. Now, I'm not really sure how much of it I will have to use, but it's gonna be an experiment. Okay, so this looks good. I'm gonna add in this coconut now. I really like how it looks though. It's really nice and modern. Okay. Looks like coconut milk. Smells a little milder. I'm gonna put in a cup of it first. Okay, a cup of that goes in. So the coconut is in. Now I'm gonna put in the tamarind water, which we prepared earlier. Tamarind water is in. I'm going to add the belacan. Now, because I'm using belacan, it's really salty, so I'm not gonna add in any salt today. Alrighty, I'm gonna give this a quick taste to see how it's coming together. Oh, it's good. Okay, definitely assam curry. And the coconut flavor is really subtle. It's not too heavy and it's giving a lighter curry, which I quite appreciate actually, because sometimes I feel so heavy after a thick curry. And I also really appreciate how there's a screw cap, so it's really convenient to just close it back up and store it in the fridge for probably, I would say, 2 to 3 days. So I'm quite happy with this. But to finish up the curry, I'm gonna put in my eggplant and okra, which I found on word search. The vegetables are nice and soft. I'm gonna add in the prawns. Got about 5 of them today, tiger prawns. So just deshell them and devein as well. That's in. And you know what? I'm kind of glad I got prawns because it goes really well with the assam. Yeah, if I would have gone chicken, I'm just, you know, making myself feel good about what I chose on the word search. But I'm really happy with this recipe actually. It's looking so beautiful with the eggplant and the okra. Okay, it would have been nice if I had the tomatoes and mushrooms, but it's good. Simple is good. So I'm just gonna let the prawns cook for a while and then we're ready to serve. And there you go, my assam prawn curry. May the food be with you. And I am Bran. Can Charlotte May find the ingredients she needs to make a mystery dish with the all-new coconut milk? Confirm can la.
Try this recipe at home and leave a comment down below to let I Am Bran know what you would like to see in my next challenge. Whatever it is, confirm can la.